Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can interact with a berry to attract it to your garden and grow a garden new berry update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to find a berry, and the berry is here, and then you just need to click on the interact button. Okay, click on the interact, and then the berry will come to your garden if you have a berry targeter on your garden. And I'm going to come to my garden, and I have placed the berry targeter here, and this berry targeter can attract the berry to come to your garden and give your plants a glimmering mutation. So you can still get the glimmering mutation even when the berry event hasn't come to the garden. When the berry event is coming, you don't need to attract the berry because the berry will automatically come to your garden. But when the berry event is not here, you can try to attract the berry with this berry targeter. You can immediately find the berry after you get a berry appear somewhere message on your screen, and then the berry can be anywhere guys, so you need to search for the berry. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.